What's up? This is Stormy, and I am back with the last video in this, well, not in this series. It's not the very last video, but it's the last video of all of the steps, all of the 7 steps that you have to master in order to play the guitar in any note all over the neck. You should be excited. Give yourself a hand clap for this, okay? Give yourself a pat on the back if you have made it thus far and you have memorized 1 through 6 already. If you have not, I encourage you to go back wherever you keep messing up at and go over the video mode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 until you can memorize that particular mode. Also, you can check out the video where I teach you how to memorize easily all of these modes on your guitar neck. So today we're in Locrian mode, which is mode 7, and here's your chord chart, and here is how it should be played. We're going to be in F major, but you can play it in any key. Today we're going to play in F major because it's the easiest and you'll still be on the neck. If you play in C, you're going to be all the way down here and it's going to be hard to play, and D is going to be like all the way out the neck, unless you know the secrets that I'm going to teach you in the next video. But for today, we're going to stick with mode 7. Now, as you know, can you guess where mode 7 should start? I'll give you a few seconds. Did you get it? All right, so mode 1 is here. If you're starting on F major, mode 1 is right here. And then mode 2 is a whole step up. Mode 3, whole step up. Mode 4 is a half step up, which I said 3 and 4 are Siamese twins, so they're always together. Mode 5 is a whole step up. Mode 6 is a whole step up. And mode 7 is a whole step up. And mode 7 will be on the 12th fret. So here's how to play mode 7. Because of the warp zone here. Go back up. All right, so we're going to do that 3 times. You ready? Let's go. If you don't have your guitar yet, shame on you. You should have your guitar ready, and you should have it plugged up, or if you have an acoustic, that is fine. Make sure your guitar is tuned. All right, if you don't, pause here and go get your guitar. Ready? Go. Going back. And at this point, you should be using your sweep picking, which is like that, because it makes it easier and quicker for you to hit the notes. Ready? Go. Going back. have it. That is 7th mode, Locrian, the last mode of the major scale. The next video, I'm going to show you how you connect all the modes easily and simply. And I'll also show you a trick as well. But for now, we're going to stick within mode 7. You're going to spend some time practicing mode 7 until you can memorize it without using the chord chart. I'm going to leave a backing track here for you, and you can replay it as much as you like, rewind, and practice to your heart content just in the F major scale until you can master this certain mode. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.